Good morning, students. Welcome to the geography class. We are going to start the another topic of chapter number 2, the soil. Soil is very important topic as we all live on it. You have already studied little bit about the soil in the previous chapter, that is lithosphere. I hope you all remember lithosphere. Lithosphere means rock. So soil is also formed out of rock that you have already studied in this second chapter. That soil is formed out of weathering of the rock. So let's start today's topic. Students, after completing this topic, you'll be able to achieve some objectives. That is, define the term soil. Number 2, assess the significance of soil as a natural resource to sustain life. Third is differentiate between the components of the soil. Elaborate the importance of organic particles in the soil. Let's start the topic soil. First we'll see the definition of the soil. Soil is the loose material found on the surface of the earth. Or you can say it is the uppermost layer of the earth on which we all live. It is very important as we grow crops on soil. And as you know, crops provide us food, which is very important for the survival. So it is very important to study in detail about the soil. Soil is a mixture of two types of materials that you can see on the screen. The components of the soil, organic particles and inorganic particles. इन दोनों के मिक्सचर से बनती है हमारी soil. First we will discuss the organic particles in detail. Let's see the definition. Organic particles are derived from dead remains of plants and animals. When these particles get decomposed and change into a dark color material, it is called humus. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट सॉइल में, अर्थ में कहीं भी दबे रह गए हैं, उनके गल सड़ जाने से, डिकम्पोज हो जाने से जो डार्क कलर का मटेरियल बनता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ह्यूम्स. इसी को हम कहते हैं ऑर्गेनिक पार्टिकल्स. Organic matter in the soil is very important, and it is important because it has humus. So this dark colored humus is very important for the growth of plants because it enhances the fertility of the land. जिस सॉइल में जितनी ह्यूम्स होगी वो उतनी फर्टाइल होगी और उसमें एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन उतनी ही अच्छी होगी. एज यू ऑल नो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया, इसमें डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं. अब डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट है तो देयर इज अ रिच plant and animal life, and due to that it has the humus quantity. Now the humid areas receives heavy growth of plants and rich animal life, so it has more humus. कहता है जिन एरिया में ज्यादा बारिश होती है उन एरियाज में हैवी ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट होती है, एंड ड्यू टू दैट प्लांट्स होंगे तो एनिमल लाइफ भी रिच होगी. तो कहता है जिन एरियाज में बारिश है, रेनफॉल है, वहां पे हैवी ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल लाइफ की वजह से ह्यूम्स का कंटेंट ज्यादा होता है. सो दैट सॉइल इज हैविंग मोर ऑर्गेनिक मैटर. सो दिस इज ह्यूम्स विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Second component of the soil is inorganic particles. These particles are derived from rocks and minerals. It includes loose particles of different sizes. As you can see in these four pictures: gravel soil, sandy soil, clayey soil, silt soil. These are the four examples of inorganic particles. In the first picture, the large size particles are called gravel. You can see gravel of various sizes, while the smaller ones are called sand, silt, and clay as shown in the picture. Next topic is significance of soil, means importance of soil. Agriculture production depends upon the soil. We grow crops and that provide us food, which is helpful in sustaining life on the earth. We cannot survive without food. So we need to grow plants and soil give nutrients to plant, means give growth to plants. Soil gives shelter to many insects and animals like rats, snake, earthworms and ants, etc. Soil is used for making bricks, यानी कि ईंटें, and also used for making pottery. As you can see in the picture, मिट्टी के घड़े बनाना. So, most of the work of the human being is related with the soil. So, it is the duty of the human being to conserve the soil. So, I end up my session today here. I am giving you assignment in this PDF file. Do complete that. Thank you very much.